Hi guys, today we're going to look at polynomial division, just how to do it. Okay, so let's start off with an example. We're going to divide this polynomial here, 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2, by this polynomial, x plus 1. And the way to do this is basically using a method that's very similar to long division. So we're going to write our first polynomial, 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2. We're going to divide this whole thing by x plus 1. Okay. How do we do this? Well, firstly, we've got to identify the leading term, which is this term here. And we take that term and we divide it by this term there. So we do 2x cubed divided by x, and that's going to give us 2x squared. We then take that 2x squared and we multiply it through by the terms that are here. So we do 2x squared times by x, that gives us 2x cubed, and we do 2x squared times by 1, which is 2x squared. And having done that, we then subtract off. And you should notice that these two terms here are the same. And that's what we want, because when we do the subtraction of 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, we want to get 0 there. Right? We want that term to be 0. So let's carry on. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. And then minus x squared minus 2x squared is minus 3x squared. And then we've still got the minus 5x and the minus 2 left over. Okay, so now having done that, minus 3x squared becomes our leading term. And so we've got to take that minus 3x squared and divide it by our x. So if we do that, then we're going to get minus 3x. And just as we did last time, we're going to take that minus 3x and multiply it by these terms here. So we're going to get minus 3x times by x, which is minus 3x squared, and minus 3x times by 1, which is minus 3x. Now notice again that those two terms should be the same, and that's what we want, because when we do the subtraction, we're going to get 0. So having done that, minus 3x squared is 0, minus 5x minus 3x, so that's plus 3x, is minus 2x. Then the minus 2 remains the same. Well, okay, with that the case, then this now becomes our leading term. And so we do minus 2x divided by our x, which gives us negative 2. And again, we take that negative 2 and we multiply it through by our x plus 1 there. So minus 2 times by x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times by 1 is minus 2. And now you should notice that when we subtract off, we're just going to be left with 0. So what have we shown? We have shown that if we take this polynomial here, 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2, and divide it by this polynomial here, x plus 1, then what we get is we get this polynomial. Right? 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Okay? All right, well, probably a good idea to practice it with another example. So let's try this one. We're now going to divide the same original polynomial, but this time by x minus 2. So let's have a go at that. So 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2, and divided through by x minus 2. So what are our leading terms? 2x cubed and x. So we do 2x cubed divided by x gives us 2x squared. We then take that 2x squared and multiply it by the terms here. So we then get 2x cubed. 2x squared times by negative 2 is minus 4x squared. And we subtract off. Okay? 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. minus x squared minus 4x squared is plus 4x squared. So we get there 3x squared. The minus 5x and the minus 2, they remain in place. Okay, now then, 3x squared is our leading term. And so we're going to divide that through by x. It's going to give us plus 3x there. And so we take that 3x and we multiply it by the x minus 2, which is going to give us 3x squared minus 6x. And again, we're going to subtract off. 3x squared minus 3x squared is 0. Minus 5x minus 6x is plus 6x. We get there x minus 2. And then lastly, we've got x there. And we divide that through by x, which is going to give us 1. And so we take that 1, we multiply it by x minus 2, which is going to give us x minus 2 there. We subtract that off, we get 0. So what have we just shown? We've shown that if we divide this polynomial, 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2, by this polynomial, x minus 2, then we get this polynomial here, 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so that is 2 examples. Let's go on, let's do the third. Last one, we're going to take this polynomial here, 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1. So let's do that. Again, we write it out as a long division. 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2, all divided through by 2x plus 1. As we do that, we're going to start with this leading term and divide it by that. So we've got 2x cubed divided by 2x, which is x squared. We take that x squared and we multiply it through by 2x plus 1. We do that, 2x cubed plus x squared. And we subtract off. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. Minus x squared minus x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 5x and minus 2. Okay? Minus 2x squared then becomes our leading term. So we take that, we divide by 2x. And minus 2x squared divided by 2x is minus x. So now we take that minus x, we multiply it through by 2x plus 1. To give us minus 2x squared minus x. And again, we subtract off. Minus 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Minus 5x minus x is minus 4x. We're left with minus 4x minus 2. And now negative 4x becomes our leading term. So we do minus 4x divided by 2x. And that gives us minus 2. Take that negative 2, we multiply it through by 2x plus 1. So we get minus 4x minus 2. We subtract off, we get 0. So what have we just shown there? We have shown that if we take this polynomial, 2x cubed minus x squared minus 5x minus 2, and divide it by this polynomial, 2x plus 1, then we get this polynomial here, x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, guys? That is an introduction to polynomial division. Basically, what you have to be able to do is to be able to replicate the steps that I've just gone through for any polynomial division. Okay, take care. I will see you next time.